guys, dito na ako sa Tseung Kwan O Mtr station, exit D1. Go! Ayan, Tseung Kwan O station. Good. And that's two. Okay. And then, tatawid tayo dito. Tatawid. Ayan. Ayan o. Yan. Smart ID. That's where we go. I'll show you where to go or where's the way going to immigration. Smart ID. Tseung Kwan O. It's early in the morning kaya madaming tao. Yan, dito yung Puyak Road. Puyak Road. Tapos ito, nakapoint Smart ID. Yan. And then, dito cross na. Cross na tayo. Diretso lang. Ah, yeah. Naabutan tayo ng blinking. We need to wait here. While waiting for the green light, I'll show you the that is the Tseung Kwan O Mtr. And here still red. Need to wait. Oops, may tumawid. Jaywalking yun. Yan, makikita mo yung the wings. The wings. Dito tayo tatawid. So, tawid na tayo. Diretso lang guys. Now you can see again the arrow. Yan. Tseung Kwan O Smart Identity Card Replacement Center. So dito ulit. Let's walk straight. Ako naman. Para kita, di ba? Fresh air. Then, close. Diretso lang, guys. Take few minutes to reach the area or the place, the immigration. Yan. Dadaanan mo yan, papwalk to the wings. Diretso ka lang. Let's walk. Ayan. Meron na naman tayong sign. Talagang hindi ka maliligaw kasi meron ulit yan. Diretso lang. O, ayun. Nasa Tseung Street na tayo. Ito, I'll show you. This is the Tseung Street. This is the next street. Next crossing road ka. So dito, magpo-cross road tayo dito. And still red. We need to wait again. I will show you the area again, once again. This is the Tseung Street. And now, time to cross. This is the second crossing. Ayan guys, diretso lang. Ayan. I'll show you again the sign. Nandyan na naman yung sign. Ayan. Talagang they're showing us where is the right way. Ayan. Malapit na tayo. Now guys, you can see the arrow. This one. Oh, nandito na tayo and it says here left. Arrow left. So dito tayo. Diyan. Diyan tayo papasok.
See the shops here, and this is where we go. Tseung Kwan O Smart Identity Card Replacement Center is on ground floor. Go. Just go. Walk straight. Diretso lang. Hello. Yeah. Dito na tayo sa dulo
And right turn. Right turn. It's just few steps. Ito lang sa gilid. And a little bit more. Just walk straight. And we are here. Dito na tayo. Dito ka papasok. And this is the Smart ID Card Replacement Center. And guys, nandito na ang place, and thank you for watching, and I hope you know the way. If you need to, bye. Thank you and God bless.